Ripple drops another 1 billion XRP on the market. What did you get out of it? Because I know Brad's wearing a fly suit on all of that retail money. MicroStrategy Saylor buys even more Bitcoin. Is this the signal that greener things are coming? Speaking of greener things coming, guess what, everyone? We don't even have the expectation that the Fed is going to pause. We have more growing expectation that the Fed is going to cut rates. And Circle, parting ties with Justin Sun, putting a little bit of separation in. Why? Because Justin Sun's the next one on the list, and we've been talking about it. Starting it off with the viewer because you mattered most. ExtremeKicks.com says, Yo, Klaus, they released the 1 billion escrow, becoming a Ponzi scheme. More and more people are thinking that. And the reason I bring it up is we know it happens every month. But let me ask you this. Brad's dumping, right? So Ripple's getting some money to run their operations. But what are you getting out of it? I mean, no, seriously, what are you getting out of it? XRP gets some clarity, not listed on the liquidity hub. I don't see any settlement in XRP. I also really don't see much direct usage of XRP. So realistically, Brad and Ripple keep dumping. He's wearing the flyest silk suits I've ever seen. But what are you getting out of it? Kavik.com.de says, great video. You telling the truth. Thank you, Klaus. Better believe it. Bitcoin sitting at 38,330. Ooh, making another move. We're happy. ETH 2,079. XRP sitting at 60.7. Doesn't look to be affected at the price of the dump of the billion on the market. With XLM not really moving anywhere at 11.9. Ripple moves 1 billion from its stash as everyone waits settlement. Don't wait too long. Ripple moves 1 billion. The above-mentioned crypto tracking platform spotted 3 staggering transfers carrying $500 million, $300 million, and $200 million. This is a total of $601 million. These withdrawals have been taking place since early 2018. Wanted to share a statement with you here. I agree, but I'm going to go back to asking you a simple question, but I'll read it first. As a rule, on the day that follows the withdrawals, about $800 million are moved back to the escrow by Ripple Labs until the next release. That happens every 30 days. These regular XP releases do not seem to impact the price of XRP. No, it really doesn't seem to impact the price of XRP, but they're getting something out of dumping XRP on the market, but what are you getting? You're the hodlers, right? Aren't you the ones supporting them? But yeah, you're not getting anything. And I know that pisses off a lot of you, but seriously, why are you in this? Are you in this for like juicy tech, hot crypto chicks and dudes? Are you in to get paid? Or are you in to watch Ripple just keep dumping on the market and really not use XRP the way a lot of you thought they would? Yeah, crazy stuff, isn't it? MicroStrategy buys another 16,103 Bitcoin, $593 million. MicroStrategy, Saylor, crazy AF, in the green. Saylor buying more, signaling greener things. MicroStrategy, a leading business intelligence software company, has continued its steadfast commitment to buy some BTC, purchasing an additional 16,000. Founder Michael Saylor announced today, and he said the purchase came as Bitcoin's price has been experiencing upward momentum, reaching a high of over 38,000 and making yet another run at it. I talked about this last week. I said, don't you notice the difference in the market? Bitcoin is constantly charging up, trying to break that 37, break that 38, break. We're not seeing too much on that negative pressure. This is good. Now I'm going to have even more. Now, I talked about Justin Sun being the next one, and a lot of you out there, not everyone, but a lot of you out there were like, Klaus, you're a moron. Justin Sun is one of the saviors of crypto, just like CZ. Really? Come on now. Is the wool been pulled over your eyes that much? For those of you that think Justin Sun, CZ, Sam Bankman-Fried, Do Kwon, Alex Mashinsky, and all them are scumbags, well, you are smart. Circle rejects claims about terror financing, cuts ties with Justin Sun. The letter was in response to allegations Circle laid out by a nonprofit known as Campaign for Accountability. CFA asked the SEC to check out Circle's proposed SPAC. CFA's complaint highlights numerous red flags. Circle recently settled with the SEC for $10.4 million, operating an unlicensed exchange. That's not good. The SPAC failed to disclose Circle's executives' involvement in a lawsuit alleging investors were defrauded. That's not good either. For context, the SPAC, special purpose acquisition, another way that they look to go public. The problem here is that concerns or red flags about the deal, like Circle settling with the SEC before not revealing about its executives in the lawsuit. The Campaign for Accountability wants the SEC to look into these issues to protect investors. I have never liked Circle. I have ripped on Jeremy Allaire since the beginning. I think he is an ultimate scumbag. I'm glad to see the market cap of USDC sucking ass compared to what it used to be. And now, since they didn't disclose this stuff, now he's like, yo, let's cut our ties with Sun to make us look better. Look, Justin Sun is a cancer. But for real, you were doing bad things before Justin Sun. The CFA letter also claimed that Circle has extensive ties to Sun's Tron Foundation and major Wall Street investors, that Sun's cross-chain protocol SunSwap is often used for money laundering. Wow. Big impacts here. So, see, in Circle, distance themselves from Justin Sun. Justin Sun, honestly, I think is going to be next. We're going to keep an eye on this. All right, XRP action. A month has happened and we're right where we started. I mean, like, seriously, we're right where we started. Had a couple pumps in November, but neither of them held. We started the month at 60 cents. We ended the month at 60 cents. I don't know. What story is there to tell? Juicy price action, settlement news, fake. XRP backed by gold, fake. XRP $40,000 buyout was a scam. Ripple keeps dumping on the market. I mean, they keep dumping $1 billion and, like, you know, yeah, they lock $800 million up in escrow, but they're still pocketing $200 billion XRP. And I mean, I still don't know what you're getting out of it. They're using XRP to pay for their operations. They're using part of the XRP to keep their lights on. What are you getting out of XRP? Because, see, they're able to take it, sell it, and make money. Because, you know, they have control of that circulating supply. Now, or the supply that will turn into the circulating supply. Now, what can you do with it? You can only sell it at market. See, so they make when they sell. But if you were to sell right now, I mean, you'd be breaking even if it was last month. I'm not trying to say this in a negative way. I'm asking you an honest question. What are you getting out of XRP? What is Ripple getting out of XRP? Easy. They're dumping on retail to, guess what? Fund their operations. Now, does it have an impact on the price? No, I mean, we really don't see it. But then again, I mean, come on now. You keep dumping, and no one wants to buy it because the price action isn't juicy. That then will start having more and more of an impact on price. Now, I talked about Saylor buying more BTC because Saylor's like, yo, I think the worst is behind us. In fact, Saylor's like, yo, this recent move where Bitcoin is just pumping to 38, this is a sign crypto winter is over. Spring has thawed. We're starting to see some flowers now. Now, even seeing data pivot for the CME group. Look at this. We were talking about a potential increase of rates about a month ago. Here, I'll go back about a month ago. Even a week ago, we were at 4.5%. But seriously, a month ago, 20% of the market thought we were raising rates. Now, no one. No one is thinking. In fact, 99.2% of the market says, you know what? Jerome Powell and the Fed's going to take a pause. So we've got Jerome Powell and the Fed signaling pause. We've got Saylor's MicroStrategy buying more because he's like, yo, the worst is behind us. We've got people getting caught out there. We already took down CZ. Maybe Justin Sun is next. Good times, everyone. Ripple dumping the $1 billion on the market isn't such a big deal, but I know a lot of you out there are frustrated. But it actually is a big deal. Because this is something that you put your money in and you're like, yo, when am I going to start getting some juicy action? Meanwhile, they're getting juicy action every month as they sell. Yeah, so they're selling from their holdings, taking that money, paying for stuff, and yeah, I get it, you know, it's going to some operational money, it's going to some tech stuff, you know, a little salaries, a little this, whatever, right? But what are you getting out of it? I mean, over the last couple years, what development from Ripple is really adding to juicy XRP price action? Seriously, ask yourself this. And maxis, pull your head out of your asses for like 5 seconds and just listen. Over the last couple years, as Ripple is dumping billions and billions and billions of XRP on the market, what are they doing with XRP other than using it to fund their thing? It's not in a liquidity hub, right? All of these, we're going to be backing this and that. I mean, the CTOs already said that's not possible, refuted those claims. I mean, seriously, what are you getting out of it? Let me know in the comments below what Ripple is doing to help out the price of XRP, to reward you for buying XRP and being in hodl mode. See, last 30 days haven't gone anywhere price action-wise, right? Last year, yeah, it's been juicy, but it sucks compared to the year and the year before that, so realistically, come on now. But seriously, let me know in the comments below what you're getting out of this. Now, it is pouring buckets out here nasty. I have the hardest race of the year tomorrow. It is a mountain run. It is a 10K mountain run. Forecasts are calling for a 100% chance of rain, with rain anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches. So I will be running up the steepest road race in South Carolina in the rain tomorrow. It does not appear to be fun. What are you cool cats doing? Well, you're telling me how you're benefiting from Ripple and XRP usage. Can't wait to read the answers, and I'll catch you cool cats later.